Meaning of fishnet.
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 Fishnet. Fishnet is a type of textile material that resembles the mesh structure of a fishing net. It is often used in the fashion industry to create clothing and accessories that have an edgy and alluring look, such as stockings, gloves, and tops. Fishnet can also be used as a decorative element in home decor, as well as for practical purposes in industries such as agriculture and construction. The open weave of fishnet allows for airflow and flexibility, making it a versatile material for a variety of applications.